What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be unboxing the wheels and mounting, hopefully getting the tires on today. These wheels are going to be for the Miata, and we should have that car sometime finished soon. Not sure when. Kind of been busy with work and things, but we'll get there. I got a few boxes and for the Miata already. We're gonna get into it. I'm gonna unbox the wheels. I'm gonna show you guys, and then we're gonna head to AutoWorks and either get them to mount them or wait till Monday and go pick them up. Also, update on the Civic. Civic is just here sitting for a minute. Nothing's really wrong with it. We had an exhaust leak, I noticed when we were tuning that day, so I fixed it. Now the car's AFRs are a little off, but we'll get it fixed out. But anyway, let's get into this wheel unboxing. Alright guys, now we're gonna unbox the wheels. Now the wheels are from 3-Piece US over in California. They imported them from Japan, and they are 3-piece wheels. So they're pretty stout, pretty baller. Probably the most amount of money I'll ever spend on wheels. But it's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be worth it. Alright boys, you ready? Oh, they're upside down. Hold on, let me flip them. These are 16 by 9.5 zero offset wheels. And I'm just gonna show you guys what we got. They're 4x100 VSKFs. These are the baller wheels for the Miata. So they're pretty cool. Hope you guys like them. Here's one more look at the VSKFs work wheels. They're so nice. I love them. And we got our tires here. They are $195.45. They were like 300 bucks on eBay, so hopefully they work with the sidewall and we don't have too much grit, but we will see. But yeah, I'm gonna get them loaded up and head to AutoWorks. Alright guys, we have made it to AutoWorks, so now we're just gonna unload the wheels and tires and see what they got for us. Alright guys, the wheels and tires are dropped off, so we're gonna have to wait till Monday because I have to go into work today at 3. I'll pick up the camera back on Monday. Hey, what's going on guys? We're back. It's Monday. We picked the wheels up. I just got back right now, and we took them in Susan over there, the daily. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys what the wheels look like with the tires and mounted, and they had a problem when they were mounting them. I'll get to that here in a second. But anyway, here are the VSKF wheels. They look insane. I'm so pumped with how they look. I was afraid that the 195/45 tires weren't gonna seat well, but actually if you look real close, they seated pretty well. But anyway, like I was saying, when they ran into a problem, If you noticed on the wheels, there's 3 center caps and there's not one on one wheel. Well, the thing is, I had these wheels for about a month. I didn't open but one of them for the video, and I didn't know that the center cap was broken, but they gave me it. When they picked it up, it fell face first on the ground, so there was no damage in the box or anything. You can see that there's just one clip right here, and there's supposed to be 2 more with a ring, a metal ring that'll seat it in place, but they didn't. I don't know what's going on there, but it is what it is. I'm gonna contact 3-piece, see what they say. Hopefully we can get the same one. If not, we can change it up and get different ones, but hopefully they'll send us out a new one and we can get this all fixed. But in the meantime, probably tomorrow I'm gonna get all the wheels cleaned. I'm gonna IPA them, and then I'm gonna grab my ceramic coat, and we're gonna ceramic coat the wheels, make sure they're all nice and pretty. And they're probably gonna sit for a little while until I can get to the Miata, but that's kind of where we're at update wise. So hopefully eventually we can get to the Miata. I am still waiting on one piece for the car. I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is yet. You will see, but hopefully by the time that comes, the car will be ready. I can put the suspension on and everything else and get it dialed in. But yeah, that's about it for today. I gotta go into work here in a little bit. So these are the wheels, man. They're so sick. I'm so pumped with how they look. Alright boys, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.